Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for n8n automation deals and tutorials. Today, I want to share something that directly impacts how much you pay for your hosting or n8n self-hosted plan. Most coupon codes you find online offer a standard 10% discount. My exclusive affiliate link, however, automatically unlocks a 20% discount at checkout, no manual code entry required, along with a complimentary domain registration. I've structured the links in the description and comment section by country, ensuring you receive accurate pricing in your local currency for full transparency. Once you access the hosting or platform through my link, navigate to the Services section in the top navbar. From there, select Self-Hosted n8n to view all available VPS plans, KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8, each designed for different levels of automation workload. For this demonstration, I'll be working with the KVM2 plan, which offers excellent performance for most mid-scale n8n workflows. At checkout, your discount and free domain will already be reflected in your order summary. As always, I recommend registering with a new email address for a seamless onboarding experience. If you found this valuable, please like this video and subscribe for ongoing n8n automation content, tutorials, and exclusive deals. Let's build smarter workflows together.